the back. This is the grip and it's 55 back. And Fatty wanna see it from the back. This is the grip and it's 55 back. And Fatty wanna.
Pretty bitches with a pass. That's a hot fire.
We can do a million things. We can do a million things. We can do a million. What's up, bro, babies? Y'all know what's going on. It's the one and only Thaaarebelchild, and y'all already know what's going on by the title and everything. But I'm still gonna explain to you what's actually going on right now, okay? So first of all, I just want to say thank you so much for clicking this video. I love y'all so much. Like, I love you guys. You, yes, you. Come. I literally love you. Aww. I'm gonna just keep it peep, okay? So if you guys been watching my stories on TikTok and just my posts in general, then you know that I went to that I.AM.GIA pop-up shop. And let me just tell y'all something. That pop-up shop was literally amazing. It was so cute. I loved it. The staff was incredible. They were so amazing. And it's like, I love I.AM.GIA. Shout out to I.AM.GIA. So this video is dedicated to the I.AM.GIA pop-up shop, okay? This is what we're going to be unboxing today. This is what I'm going to be showing you. Now, I only got one thing, okay? Don't make me mad. Y'all know I like to spend money. But I'm going on a cruise. So, more than likely, I might be coming back with something. If I see it, I'm going to snatch it. I want it. So, let's stay tuned for that, okay? But let's get into this unboxing for the I.AM.GIA. I got her new collection. I'm so excited. Let's go ahead and do it. First things first, this is what they gave me. Okay? It was in Beverly Hills, by the way, chat. So the pop-up shop was in Beverly Hills. So, y'all know I'm a little bougie, okay? So this is the bag that they gave me. It's an all-black bag. And the customer service was A1 10th power to a T. Okay? Now, when you look inside of the bag, they gave me some goodies. Now, I want to just show you guys what they gave me inside the bag because they gave your girl some goodies, and I was so freaking happy just to get these goodies. So, let's go ahead and pull them out. So, the first thing that they had gave me, guys, was these stickers. These are so cute. I don't even know where I'm going to put these stickers. Where I'm going to just, but I'm definitely going to put these somewhere. I was thinking about maybe putting them on my computer, but then it's like I'm plain Jane. I don't like nothing on my computer. So I don't even know where I'm going to put Homegirl at. But we're going to keep these stickers because I'm going to put Homegirl somewhere. I promise you. Then they gave me this 30% discount. So shout out to y'all. I just feel so amazing. Like, I love I.AM.GIA. So for my next purchase, all I have to do is use the 30% discount, and I can get my 30% discount from my girl. Girl, I'm about to go ahead and buy me something right now. Don't ask me what, but I'm gonna buy it, okay? Like I mentioned earlier, I.AM.GIA came out with a collection, and I was like in distraught on what to actually get because I wanted to get everything on them. Well, I'll spend at least $5,000 in there. Yeah, that was a lot. But I decided just to go ahead and get one thing just because I was going on a cruise. And I already know that when I get on this cruise, I'm going to want to see and do a lot of stuff. So, yeah. I'm doing an unboxing for I.AM.GIA, so just watch. So, let's go ahead and take out the outfit that we have. So, I got the cherry set. So, this is what it looks like. These are the shorts. It says I.AM.GIA. And if y'all know from me getting my last pair of I.AM.GIA in the last unboxing video that I did, those were a size XS, which is an extra small. So I actually sized down. So I got an extra small. Yeah, we did that. Definitely did that, okay? And for the bottoms, I literally spent, I don't know how much these were. Let me see if I can find the price tag. So the bottoms were about like $65, I believe. So these were just $65. So these are XX. Sorry. Yes. Wait. XXS. Because like X sounds like a. Just know I got an extra small. So these are the bottoms. And then here is the top. And this is also an extra small as well. So yeah. This is her. So I'm going to be wearing this on the cruise. This racked up about like $86, I believe. So I believe I spent $86. In total, it was like $140. Look, I don't know. Do the math. You could do the math on your own. Do the math on your own if you want to, because it's like, you know. But let me stop yapping because I know y'all want to see this on me. So let me go ahead and put this outfit on me, and we're gonna actually see, because I haven't even put this on. I want to see how it's gonna look on me. Okay, let's go ahead and put this outfit on. Okay, so this is exactly how it looks. I'm not wearing a bra. I feel like if I was to put a bra on, it'll be like really tight. But let me give y'all a 360. And these are an extra small, and this is an extra small too. You want me to lie? I'm not gonna lie. I love this. This is cute. And I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I wouldn't wear this with no panties. I ain't got no panties on. I ain't got no panties on. Oh, baby. I'm about to be on that cruise like this. I don't even know. I'm excited as heck. Hold on. Yeah, definitely. So, I'm not gonna lie, chat. I'm definitely gonna keep messing with Gia, and I'm gonna start getting me a size extra small because I love how it fits my body and it makes my butt look big. Oh yeah, Gia girl, I love you, sister. And I love how it brings out my body. So I don't know how I would wear this because I'm not wearing no bra. So I know I would get hot as hell quick with it too. But I like her. This set is cute, and I'm definitely gonna wear this on a cruise, chat. We wearing this on a cruise. I don't know when, but I'm gonna wear this girl on a cruise. I'm gonna wear this girl on a cruise, okay? And speaking of the cruise, I have to finish packing because today is Saturday, May 16th, and as y'all know, I leave on 19th. So tomorrow is the 17th, and my cousin may or may not be getting me because she's going to be doing my hair. I don't know really. Oh, Bohemians. I'm getting some Bohemians. So I was packing early because, you know, you just have to. You just I mean, nigga, you. We're going to go ahead and we're going to put Girly Girl up in there. Now, mind y'all, I packed some bomb clothes that I forgot to pack pajamas. So I have to pack some pajamas, which I'm going to. Pack some pajamas, and I plan on bringing at least this big bag right here. I already have a toothbrush and everything in there, so I plan on packing this bag right here, and I also plan on packing my shoes. Now I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all the shoes that I plan on packing. I'm gonna show y'all this, like, some shoes that are gonna, y'all gonna be like, why would you pack those? And it's like, girl, it's your business. Now, before you say anything, chat, it's just like I had to. This is my first cruise. Like, I want that experience. I want to wear heels. I want to party on this cruise. I want to be like, yeah. You know, like, I want to feel good while I'm on this cruise. So I'm packing both of these heels up because I feel like I just should. You know, this bag is full, so we gotta put all my shoes into my spray ground. Let me grab my spray ground right now. I've been using her since high school. I don't use her no more unless I'm going somewhere. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to add the heels in here first. So I got my Air Forces. I got to clean them, but I clean them later. I don't wear shoes like that for real. So, yeah. I got my Balenciagas. I only wear my Balenciagas to the gym. And then I got my Crocs. And then I got some my True Religion sandals. Oh, they're right there. I'm not going to put those in the bag just yet because those are the sandals I just get up and go in. So I know when I just get up and go, I can just wear them. I'm not going to leave them here at all. Like, no, we're not doing that. The thing is basically packed for the cruise. I have my toothbrush and everything. All my clothes are in here. I'm just going to... Oh, my God. Chad. You mean to tell me y'all, my heel, the strap for the heel is gone. Please, to prom. Bro, can I still wear these? Oh, I can. I can still wear her, but I'm looking at it right now. It's detachable. You can wiggle it. Alright, chat. Thank y'all so much for watching. I'm going to be leaving May 19th through the 25th to go to Mexico. So if I don't see you guys by then, just know that I love y'all. So make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see y'all the next time. Bye, babies. Love y'all.